Hello mga friendship, this is Noel Ras, always on the Ras. Welcome to our vlog, WFDC team. For today's vlog, pupunta tayo sa Swede Park para sa Riyadh season. Ayan no, kasama natin ang mga little cute boy. Ah, sige. But, no. Where you go? Where you go? Wow.
Later. We go the red one.
Daddy's car there.
We go.
Let's go.
Saan yung red car? Where's your car? Ito, sir.
Yes, sir. Till the
Punta kami sa Swede Park. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Binondo, Maynila.
Binondong itsura.
We're here in Binondo, Maynila. So, saan? Malayo yun dun. Dito tayo, dito ka banda park sa ano? Sa ano? Sa malayo. Kahit malayo tayo maglakad.
yeah.
And guys, we're going to
Close because the
Wait
sun
daw
is
sa loob ng ano ng Kasarmol.
we're going to
Kasarmol
Swede
tayo
Park to watch Billy Crawford.
Philippine Week ka.
Philippine Week. Dahil nandiyan si
Are you excited?
Billy Joe Crawford ngayon.
Ayan, are you excited? Wow.
Are you happy, boys? Are you happy?
Yes, sir.
Are you happy?
What's this?
Hi vlog. Hi vlog. We're here in Kasar Mall.
And we're going to
Sana all. Swede Park. Hi, hi vlog.
Say hi.
Okay, let's go. Salamat po. Welcome to Swede Park. Nasaan na si Hamdan? Ay. Share muna tayo.
Daddy Dil.
Saan? Saan? Ay. Ay.
Yes, sir.
Yes! 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 We're here. Swede Park Global
Sila Chelsea.
Harmony. Global Harmony. Ganda oh. Ganda oh. Yes. Halika si
Gentlemen, magandang gabi mga kababayan!
Hello, kabayan.
Hello kabayan. Saudi Pinoy.
Hello everyone! Kung Pilipino ka man, mag-ingay!
Hello!
Love the energy here tonight. I am Pamit Kucharo Amix and I'm thrilled to be your host and I'm here with...
Saudi Pinoy, kabayan.
Of course, we all know him by now, Saudi Pinoy. It is so nice to be sharing the stage here with you tonight.
It's my pleasure also to share the stage with Miss Universe of Philippines.
It's Miss International, but thank you very much. I'd like to thank also Saudi Pinoy that our tandem here on stage reflects the relationship between Saudi Arabia and the Philippines, right?
Absolutely.
All right. And are you ready to have a good time? Okay, that's very good. We need that energy.
Dance, dance. Up, up. Stand, stand.
Kabayan!
Sana all down. Kababayan.
Kababayan!
Yes. Tama. So ladies and gentlemen, don't forget we also have food stalls outside. We don't want you to get hungry. Bawal magutom tayo dito. And anything else?
Kabayan, are you having fun?
Arbony.
Louder! Yeah, they truly are having fun. But of course, we have a message that we want to share to everyone here. Of course, the reason why we're all together is because we're celebrating culture, and it is of course our duty now to also thank once again the Saudi government for giving us this platform. Thank you to the Ministry of Media under Global Heartbeat, and of course Riyadh Season 2025, along with Quality of Life.
Daming
much, Manal. Thank you so much. And of course, gusto ko naman marinig ulit. Gusto kong marinig ang inyong kasiyahan. Of course, pwede ba tayong magsigawan? Let's go! Isa pa nga! Wala pa. Alright, isa pa nga, let's go! Ayun, grabe yung energy. At dahil dyan, here's what I'm so proud of you. Let's go! Yeah! Saka po naman ang nakaalam po ng awitin ito. I'm sure, nakaalam niyo po ito.
Global harmony.
Ay, may light. Hindi kami maganda sa ano eh.
صورها اعلان
Ethiopia, Egypt. Ay, ang ganda. Indonesia, Pakistan, Philippines. Ay, may kanya-kanyang ano. Yung Philippines. Kanya-kanyang ano pala rin. Wow. Dito yung mga giveaways. Ganda. Dito pala parang food court. Dito tayo dito guys. Ganda dito. Meron. May mga bazaar. May bazaar. Ay, may mga parol. Shells Glen. May mga parol din dito. Ay, talagang Filipino made. Ay, yung Philippine made, oh. Look. Mga kapis. Wow, nakaka-proud naman. Kapis. Laminated products. Ganda. Ayun, oh. Mga kapis. Tapos dito may mga Pilipino, ano, Filipino tradition. So ito, ay, handmade. Ano, hi. Ay, ito, hindi siya pang baby.
Wala na.
Ito lang.
Tanggalin mo na yan. How much is 20?
20.
Bigyan ko siya. Pang baby.
Ito po,
Gusto ko
pang
ng
baby,
ito.
pang mga...
Walang pink. Yung ganito.
Wala na.
Yan na lang po natin.
Ito, malaki.
Yeah,
Ay, pang
mga
malaki. Parang ito yata maganda siya.
Ito aso.
Ito pa, magkano to?
Third.
30.
For your
Ay, ito
fur
yata,
babies.
Pang pit.
Yes
Wala
po.
to.
Para may labasan ng tenga.
Ay, oo nga, no. Third.
And gawa.
Bigyan mo ka dalawa.
Thank you po.
Handmade from Philippines.
Ah, that's your...
Ayan.
Yeah, you can go inside. Picturean mo nga sa... Sir, pwede pa picture?
Sure.
Picture, doon siya. Doon siya.
Kanyang...
May change ka?
Marami ng pilitan siguro, no? Marami ng pilitan.
Ano is pa yan? Ay, merong ano. Dami din palang pagkain dito. Ito pa lang may ano, tea, iced tea. Can I have this? Ano to malamig? May ano yan? May yellow? Ay, sorry. This sweet?
Yeah, this one's sweet.
Cold?
Yeah, cold.
Okay.
Only simple.
Yeah.
This one you're there.
Okay. Can I have,
One order, one item.
how much one? 10? Give me 5.
5, okay.
5. Yeah, 5.
Okay. Campur 5. Yeah.
This Indonesian?
Indonesian restaurant, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Restaurant.
Ay, may mga ano sila, oh.
Campur.
Kasi parang Indonesian restaurant. Parang sila may mga soup.
Hello, sir. Yeah, may...
Ayun palang lapas.
Ano na simple? One sate. Cendolnya berapa?
Indonesian, parang halo-halo din pala to. Look. Yeah. Halo-halo, mga beans ang laman. Look. Subukan natin.